Hey guys, and welcome back to Angel's Video Diary. And today, I'm gonna take you to...
Nido!
So, it was a bright and sunny day. I was feeling under the weather, but that didn't stop me to get excited from exploring El Nido. Well, this is the last leg of our Palawan trip, so I thought to make the most of it. And here's a quick recap of our Port Barton and Underground River Palawan adventure.
Ready na kami sa island hopping tour. Look na masarap. Uy!
Merly! Whoa, wow!
Like a half face of Jesus.
Just take a look at El Nido's majestic deep blue ocean. From the smooth sand, the sound of the waves crashing against the rocks, the warm breeze that sends your hair in all directions, the clear waters, to the different species hiding beneath the ocean. I could go on and on about describing how beautiful Palawan is, so I'll just show it to you instead. Are you guys ready? Well, I suggest you keep watching. Island hopping is extremely popular in El Nido, and it is arranged in 4 different tours, which are A, B, C, and D. Tour A is known for lagoons and beaches. Tour B is for caves and islands. Tour D is somewhere in between, but it features island beaches. Well, I skipped Tour C because that's what we did, which is snorkeling. And we also visited a shrine. Tour A and C are the most popular. Although our guide gave us a special tour and may have added more on our itinerary, which is why he got a large tip from Edward. And by the way, here are some of the things you need to bring on your trip to El Nido. Free diving mask or snorkels, aqua shoes, free diving fins, and rash guard. And FYI, there are dive equipment rentals in Palawan. And also, don't forget to bring other essentials such as waterproof bag, sunscreen or sunblock, hand sanitizer or hand soap, mosquito repellent, medicine, a hat or a cap, and sunglasses. And don't forget to buy some souvenirs.
Hey guys, where are we at?
El Nido!
The first thing on our itinerary is kayaking.
Hey guys!
You'll also visit Hidden Beach. Discover the secluded spot that offers panoramic view, clear waters, and fine white sand. And you will also get to discover more hidden gems in the island. Just like this next one. It is some sort of secret passage, more like a hidden exit in the island. Make sure to check it out.
Hey guys, where are we at?
Exit!
Hidden beach.
Hidden beach.
So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna go through the hidden exit.
Hidden exit.
We're gonna enter.
But be very careful walking through the hidden exit, as the passage is quite rough and full of rocks. I suggest you wear aqua shoes instead of flip-flops.
Dali lang yan. Oh, ganda oh. Wow. Wow. Ingat, may mga ano, elemento.
By the way, other than the boat transportation, Tour C also has a buffet lunch.
Okay, ma'am.
Boss.
Ito, Bray, iabot natin ito, Bray. Bray, bigyan mo.
Last day, we decided to go to Las Cabanas. I heard that this is one of the best places to catch a sunset. Here, you'll find a variety of bars and restaurants. Well, definitely a perfect place to spend your day.
Sayang ko sila yung mga
So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Well, you can like, share, and comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. And also, you can follow me on Facebook. Instagram, and Pinterest, and that's at Angel's Video Diary. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. And then you can subscribe to my blog. That's www.mypurplepages.com. Okay? All right, so that's it for now. And until next time, see ya!